Hello guys, welcome to IT Expert channel. Easily learn Java. Please subscribe the channel. Today we are going to discuss about the logical operation, switch statement, while loop, do while loop, arrays and for loop. And easily will do with example and definition. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Let's start with the logical operation of logical operation. What is logical in logical operation? We have two kind of logical operation that today we are going to study. One is and that symbol will be like this, and another will be or symbol will be working in Java like this. And so let's do it with one example at a Java how it would work. Assume that you are working that you're making a database for a school. If you have integer subject 1, the score of subject 1 bit will be 15. The student who got a score will 15, and integer subject 2, and this student got in the subject to 17, and will create a logical operation if subject 1 will be greater equal to 15. So and we'll use and operation here, and the subject 2 should be greater and equal to 15 also. What it come for us? System dot print len. It means it should tell us your pass. And if they're gotten less than 50, what they should fail? We'll use else statement. Else it's system dot out dot prints ln. Yes, your fail. Let's print it for us. It will have an error. Why? Because we added more comma in here. We'll remove it and let's run it. What it can. Just make this println correct. Make it this println correct, and now let's run it. Yes, Estelle, your pass. And if a student got one of the subject of his student will be less than 50, it means 20. What it came? It came your fail. So this was the AND logical operation. And if we use the or how it will work. If one of these is matched with these things, then the student will be passed. Example, we use in here subject 1. We told if the student got greater than 50, then it will pass, and subject 2 also should be greater than 50. In here we use or operation. It means one of them will be greater than 50, then they will pass. Let's try it. Yes, you're passed. If both of them will be less than 50, what will your fail? This was the logical operation of Java. Let's go for the next step. What is the next one? Next one is switch statement. Switch statement. What is the switch statement? If we have multiple condition for our DB or our project, we will use the switch statement. Let's do it with example. Okay, we'll use the score integer score. If the score will be 19, yes, then we'll use the switch. Our switch will be score. How it will work, man? Let's do it. Score and case. We'll use the case 19. What it will print? System dot prints ln. It means your your, or it should just print grade A. Yeah. Then we'll use the break. What will break do? Break, it means separate the case 2. What if the student got 18? What will print? System.out.println. Yeah. Grade B. Good. Yeah, we'll create another case 17. Yes, system.out.println. Yes, what it should do? Grade C. And we need to, let's do it, let's print it, what it print for us. It will give us an error. What will be that error? I will tell you why this error came, because we have one more comma in here. Just remove it and let's run it. Yeah, your grade A. If a person got 70, it will tell us the grade C. Okay, one more thing. We need one default case for us. If one of them is not matched, then it should print for us the default. Assume will case default spell is wrong. Yeah, yes, default, it means if none of them is matched, what it will print? It should print system.out.println. It means check with department. Department should tell them what is wrong, why they are not got any, why they not got anything. Yes, let's print it. Yeah, let's print it, what it came for us. Check with DB. Why two things will it come for us? Why we have grade C and the last, because we didn't make it separate. We need to make it break. Yeah, it should break two things. Now let's try it. Yes, grade C. And if a student got 20, what it will print for us? Check with department. Good. This, when we have multiple condition, it means case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and default, you will use the switch. The switch will be our integer or type of variables. Yeah. Okay, let's see what is the next one. The next one is the while loop. While loop, what is while loop? While loop, execute one statement again and again until the condition match it. What does it mean? It means we'll create one statement, and for that statement we'll create a condition. That statement will be executed until the condition match it. How it will work? Example of we have integer a, it's equal to 0. Yes, we'll use the while loop. While make it a condition for it. A should be less than 10. Yes, and now what it should print? System.out.println. Yes, what it should print? It should print the A for us. Let me correct the system. Yeah, in here up to here is correct. Up to here is correct. It will make a condition and it's printing A. Why? How it loop work? We'll add a plus to add number to each time when executed, to add one number to each executing them. Let's run it and I will explain more for you. It's not print anything. While let's make it this, because it was wrong. Let's print it now. Yeah, it's printed from 0 up to 9. How it will work, man? In here we told them the integer will be a will be equal to a 0 and the a will be less than 10. It's in here we make it the condition, and this statement a plus plus is adding each number to is adding one number, and in here it will execute each time until it matches to 0. The condition matches to 0. Yes, If we remove this one, what it would print for us? Let's check it. It just print for us 0 0 0 0 0. It will not stop for us because the condition not matching. It just loop it, loop it, loop going on. Yeah, we'll stop it. If we add plus plus, it means in each execute of the time it should check the statement, and until it matches to 0, then it will be stop it. Yeah, just like this. The next step is do while loop. What is do while loop? Do while loop is the same of the while loop, and what is different with them is while loop first evaluate, check or analyze this statement, then it will execute that. And do while loop first execute a statement, then check the condition and evaluate the statement. I will show you with example for you. Let me try one example for you. I will make it off. Yeah, it should not show for us anything. Yeah, it should not execute. And here I will play integer b equal to 0. Yes, and here we'll do. What do? Starting the rocket system dot out dot print ln. What it print? It should print for us the b. Good. And here we'll check it. The b should be added each time one number. Yes, but in here we'll add the while b will be less than 10. Let's run it. Check it. It will print 0. Why? And here's some problem. Why it prints 0? I will tell you, because the condition not match. In here we told them the b will be equal to 0, but in the condition we told them that b is greater than 10. That's why first it check the statement. It will execute the statement, then it will check the condition. It will print 0 for us. Remember, if the statement will be correct, then what will happen for us? Let me check. Yes, it's printing correct. But in here, if this condition will not match, it will print nothing. Let's make it. I will make them different for you. Yes, in here system.out.println. Yes, what it should print for us? I will print this with this comma. Yeah, let me clean this one. Yeah, it will make separate for you to better understand. Yes, let's try it. Now it will work for us very fine. Look, up to this line it is b do while, and this line is 0. And if I make it the condition, like if the condition is not match, a is not matching with this one, a is greater than 10, it is not greater. And this in here I am making b is greater than 10, it's not greater. What it will print? Yes, in a while statement it prints nothing, but in here it prints 0, because in a while statement first it will check the condition. If the condition match, then it will execute. It will check if the condition didn't match anything, it will print nothing. But in a do while, it will print, first it will execute, then it will check the condition. That's why it print the 0, then it check if the condition not match it, it stop it. That was the difference. Next thing is array. What is array? Array is same of variables, but the difference is you can store multiple value with this variable, with these array variables. How? I told you about the variables, how it can. Let me show you with example. In here we have integer a. In here data type is a. In a we have 0 value. We can add just one value at a time, but with array we can store multiple value with one data type. So it have one condition in here. What is the condition? We can use just one data type at a time. We cannot use that same data type. We cannot use same data type multiple time. Let me show you with example. Okay, let's clean it. In here, if we have integer, yes, it should be like this, and we'll use the data type in my integer example equal to what it. We can use multiple value for it. 44, 66, 66, 58, any number, 99, 100, 55, like this. We can store multiple value for one variables. Yeah, that's called array for us. Let's print system.out.print ln. In here we can use my and. In here we can type the index number. What is the index? This we can call this the element. Each of number is index. Don't forget that index will be starting from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Example, I'm going to print 66. 66 will be 1. Let's print the 1 in here. What it come for us? It will print the index 1, index 2 for us, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. If I want to print 99, 9 will be the index 1. 0, 1, 2, 3. It will be 3. Yes. Yeah. This called the array. We can store multiple value in one variable. Let's add some more things in array for us. I'm using while loop in here. While. Here, let me first integer index equal to 0. I'm using the while loop in here, and let's see how it will work. While index should be less than 3. Yes, index should be less than 3. I'm not index should be less than 3. What is your system.out.print ln? Yes, in here my and in the index, in here it should print for us index. Yes, and also I'm adding the index. Each execute time it should add one number. Let's see. One thing more, we need to remove this print. Yeah, we don't require it. Let's see how it will print. 0, 1, 2, 3. It should print like this. These 3 number for us. The condition didn't match. It not print. The index will be less than the 3. Yes. Yes, it will print 44, 66, 58. Why is execute like this? Let me explain to you. In here we have it. We have index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In here I'm for this variable I type is index. The name is index and it's equal to 0. And the condition is the index will be less than 3. It should print index for us now. Index of arrays, but in here I told them it should print for us each time add 0, each time add 1 to each execute time. If I remove it, what it will print? It should print just 0. 0 of them is what? it will print 44. 44 will be executing, executing, executing. It's looping, just looping because the condition didn't match. I will add the index should be execute each time until the condition match. The condition match will be like this, that it will be adding one number until it become to this index 0. Yes. If I make it 5, yes, it become, it print as 44, 66, 58, 99, 100. Yes, this was the array with while loop. Okay guys, the last step of today curriculum is for loop. What is for loop? For loop is same like while loop and do loop, but it is in for loop we have more control on our condition. In for loop we have three things. One is initiate, another is expression, and the last thing is increment. Initiate, expression, increment. We have three statements here. Let's do it with example. I'm just make it off this loop, while loop, and I will use instead of it, I will use for you the for loop. Assume that we have 4 in here. Well, we have first we have initiate. What does mean? We have integer, what, index equal to 0. Now we have expression. Well, to make it condition for it, index will be less than 4. Assume 4. Yes. Okay, and what it will be the last thing? Index should increment each executing time. Good. Yes, for loop work for us like this. It's same with like while loop, but we had more control on our condition. Like we can use this the initiate, expression, increment. Yes, this was the for loop. We can use for loop. Assume we need to print all of these elements. How we can use the for loop? We can use for loop with this, like this. We can, if assume integer, we have elements. This means we add some name, and we'll write the name of our arrays, my int. Yes, in here we'll use system.out.println. What it should print for us? It should print the element. Let's print it. Yes, it's print all of this element. Assume I will add one more. Yes, let's print it. It will print all of these elements. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand things, and if you have any question you can write in a comment, and if you have any suggestion you can write a comment. You can ask question and I will answer you very easily anytime, 24/7. I'm online. You can ask question. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly subscribe the channel and follow me and encourage me to make a better video for you. Thanks you guys.